Here I have Motorola Moto G42, and today I'm going to show you how to enter boot mode on this device. So firstly you have to turn your Motorola off, and after it turns off completely you have to hold down a combination of keys, power key plus volume down at the same time for a couple of seconds like this. And after that you will end up in the boot mode. So here at the boot mode you can use volume keys to navigate and power key to select, and you have such options as start, restart bootloader, recovery mode, power off, bootloader locks, and barcodes. So if you want to quit this mode, just select an option start and your device will be restarted as usual. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.